Hey, welcome to Planet Mark, and today I'll be telling you how to play the brand new song Medicate by Gabbie Hanna on the guitar. So, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark and ring that bell for all new guitar lessons every week and fun ukulele and guitar tutorials. So, I'm going to quickly play you a clip of what it should sound like. I'm not well, thanks for asking. Don't mind me, cause I'm just passing by in this life. Been a while, thought that you forgot, but it's okay. How you been? Glad to hear it. Got one question, if you can bear it. Do you think of me too? Cause I spend my days thinking of you. Should I take a pill to numb the pain? Change the chemicals inside my brain. Till I worry I won't be the same, but I guess that's the point. Can you medicate a broken heart? Change your tragedies to a work of art. Medicate a broken heart. Build your walls just to rip them apart. Is this way to fix this, or is this a quick fix? I guess I couldn't say. Can you medicate it away? So this is like, it's just pretty much those five chords, just kind of repeating that. It's the picking pattern, which is a very difficult part of this song. But anyway, so how to play that? Firstly, you're going to need your capo and put that on your first fret. I mean, you don't have to do that, but by God, it makes it so much easier, especially people that don't have like 10-foot long fingers. So capo, first fret. Then you want to drop it to a drop D. So you've got your D, then you want to drop your E string to the same thing. So D, D. It's effectively a drop D, but with a cap on the first fret. Anyway, this is a really good workout for your fingers. You want to be getting your first finger and barring that across the third and second strings, second fret. Then get your pinky finger and put that on the fourth fret of the fourth string. The piano bits, that stays the same the exact same time, but it's this bass line which is really going to be a pain for us. Well, I think it's more likely. So just the bass line. If you just listen to the bass line, it's if you're just playing the bass, then that's all you need to do. And that's just 4, 3, 2, 1 on the 6th string. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open, because we've got the capo. Open, second, second for that verse. But because we're playing this properly, let's put our first finger on the the second and third frets, second and third strings, and our pinky on the the fourth string. So get your third finger, your ring finger, and put that on the 6th string, 4th fret. So it's 6. Play the string 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll be getting a second finger and putting that on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. So take a third finger off and replace it with a second finger. So 4th, 3rd again, and then the rest of the strings the same thing. So from the top. And there comes the difficult bit. What I would do is, like, you can do it however you feel, but I would just scooch your second finger down to the 2nd fret of the 6th string. And play that again. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Then I would switch out, so pinky always stays on the exact same 4th fret, so don't move that. Yeah, so then just get your first finger and put that on the 6th string, 1st fret. Pinky exactly where it is on the 4th string. And your second finger should be barring the 2nd and 3rd strings, 2nd fret. Yeah, so the trick here is like trying not to mute out any of the strings. That's where it's become so difficult this time. But anyway, so if you can master that, you are a true guitar expert. Anyway. And the intro is just that once. And then she starts singing, I'm unwell, thanks for asking. That bit. And that's just that through once. So from the top, from the intro, it's something not well. Thanks for asking. Don't mind me, cause I'm just passing. Then that's just 4, 3, 2, 1 again. And then 4, 3, 2, 1 again. And we kind of go into like the second part of the second half of the verse, which is where things slightly change. So then we go from 6. So we go from 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, then open twice. Then back to our bass string being the 2nd fret. And we do that again. So 4, then this is the bit which is like, I take a pill to numb the pain, turns of chemicals inside my brain. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. Then open twice. But I guess that's the point. What you can do for that bit, just get your first finger and bar that across the all 6 string 2nd fret. So I could do that before as well, but I don't like to keep changing my fingers too much. Let's all play that together now from the intro. So as she comes in singing, and this life, okay, glad to hear it, and a question if you can bear it. Then open twice. That's a 2nd. And I take a pill to numb the pain. Use a chemical inside my brain. Not where I won't be the same, but I guess that's the point. For the last bit, point, you can just pick 6, 4, 3, 2. That's the point. Then we come to the chorus, which is, can you medicate a broken heart? It's your tragedies to a work of art. Medicate a broken heart, and build your walls just to rip them apart. It's just a quick fix, or is this the I couldn't say, can you medicate, medicate it away? And that is just, this time it's starting on the 4th, 3rd, now go to open, then 2nd, so 4th, 3rd, open, then 2nd, again these and the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, all, it's pretty much that same little pattern the entire way through. So it's like a medicate a broken heart, and you do. So 4, 3, 0, 2. And then is this the way to fix this, or is this a quick fix? And then back to 4, 3, 2, 1. Then medicate. That's open. Medicate. 2nd. Medicate it away. Play along with me this time. You can sing along if you want. I'll just play in the background. So 3, 2, 1. Can you? And that is pretty much the end. That's pretty much all of the song. The rest is just like kind of delays and like reverbs that she has on, but it's all the same pattern the whole way through. You can like kind of work out the verse just goes back to that 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, open, 2, 2. But that's pretty much it for my guitar lesson. I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. If you have enjoyed this lesson tab, then please let me know in the comments section below. Like this video and subscribe to Planet Mark. And if there's any other songs you'd like me to teach you, then please let me know. I love to know how my students and subscribers are getting on. So follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. See you in the next one, guys. Bye, 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 bye.